And you guys know, as you're getting more and more, I don't want to say professional, but better at stock market trading, we know the psychology of traders and what they're looking for and why they're going to do what they're going to do. That's why we trade what we trade. So look at this. We've got consolidation off the 9 leading into major level right here. This is going to pop or drop big time right here. You guys see this spot. This is major level.
Nowhere to go.
So what I would do if I were you guys is I would draw a trend line right now. It would look just like this. Make this one bigger. This is going to pop or drop big time right here, right now. So if you're unsure, you can straddle it out when in doubt. Otherwise, I will wait. But this is everything. We already had double bottom. This is a major level right here that it was following on resistance. You can see it broke through. This is now bullish to the upside. This move, staying above the 9, has to stay above the 9. And you already know if, when and if it comes back to here and it flushes out, hammer these to the short side because it already tested here, here, and then wherever it would do it again. So if it breaks through, hammer it, right? Big moves. See, if this respects this 9 and comes through, this is going to flush hard. Above this 9, bullish. Below this 9, well, I wouldn't say below this 9. I'd say below right here, 132 basically, bearish. Remember, do not buy puts on 132. You will get your face ripped off if it bounces again. Do not buy puts right here. Do you understand me? We buy them here. Makes sense? Because if you think about it, this whole area, this is a bounce zone, right? It could break through. Little wick, little wick, little wick, 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 and then pew. This is a nice spot to be in though for NVIDIA. Love this. It's nice tight channel in here. Nowhere to go. The only thing left hanging on is this 9. Look at this. We are just like right in here. Yeah, let me check my 2-minute EWO on this. I just want to see. Oh yeah, it's sitting on support. Remember above the 9, bullish. Below 192, hammer time. But you got to wait. Don't do it here. Don't you dare buy those puts right here. You better wait. I would not touch that yet. Listen to the sound of my voice.